What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and this is Arie.
Hi.
And today we have another Best Buy shopping challenge, this time with a budget of $500. So basically what's going to happen in this video is we're going to go into Best Buy, we are going to be shopping around, seeing who gets the better haul, and you guys are going to judge afterwards with a poll and let us know who got the better stuff.
And the twist here is it's only 20 minutes to spend $500. I mean, I could spend that in like 5 minutes, but there's 20 minutes to spend $500. Let's see who has better haul. Is that inclusive of tax?
Yes, that includes tax.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we're here, 20 minutes on the timers.
20 minutes ready.
And
1, 2, 3, go.
Boom.
All right, let's go. Come on, Malcolm. So my thought is, I'm thinking I'm gonna go for this time around, instead of a bunch of little cool things, I'm gonna go for one big item and then, you know, a couple of smaller good things.
All right, so I already know Arie scoped out the place and found things that she wanted to buy. I know she's a cheater like that, but I got $500, so I got some room to work with.
So we're in the PC section. I know you PC nerds love this stuff, so let me go take a look at the accessories. I'm just kidding when I say PC nerds. Please don't dock me points. I love you all so much. Oh, that name sounds really cool. Dark Core, like that has to be bomb. So let's do this Dark Core RGB. I don't know what I'm doing.
Now, I know this brand usually makes those light up charging cables. Those are always really nice. Ah, here we go. So these are light up charging cables, but this one's micro USB. Nobody needs micro USB anymore.
The thing is, like, I know that he's sitting there confident and he's been talking all this smack this morning and that gets in my head, you know? Monitors. Monitors are good. Let's see what we can get in terms of monitor. 60 hertz refresh rate, I don't think that's good, right? It should be like 140? Malcolm! Oh, Malcolm! Okay. Oh, 144, okay, so we can probably do that.
We gotta get something audio related though. That's a must. Always gotta have some audio. So we got some Sony earbuds over here. I see savings, I see a good thing. Neckband design. I don't know if everybody's crazy about the neckband design like I am. Look at this cheater. And she wants to look at my products.
Oh my gosh, I hope he's not getting headphones, guys. Typical. Get some creativity in your life.
Oh, Pokemon's a hit right now. Maybe I need to buy something Pokemon related. Pokemon Let's Go.
Okay, so now we're in the right section here. We have Nintendo and all the gaming stuff. And per my, hold on, I'm gonna wait for him to pass. Okay, so we're at the Nintendo section, so I'm gonna do what I planned on doing. And if you vote for me, I'll give it away. Ah!
Oh, a Nintendo Classic?
What kind of batteries does it take?
Oh, maybe the PlayStation Classic. Oh, let's try and find that. Let's try and find that.
What is a Nintendo Switch game without a Nintendo Switch? Let's see if they have any here.
Come on, PlayStation Classic. If I could get that, that's gotta get me some points. PlayStation section doesn't even have it though. Oh, come on.
Oh, I don't see a Nintendo Switch, you guys. Oh, my plan.
Oh. What's a nice gaming headset? Astro A10s? Of course I have to drop something, right?
Boom, got the Nintendo Switch. Guys, I mean, how can I not win? What is he gonna get that beats this? A TV? Let's see.
Got it. Let's go. Now I'm gonna hide this one because Arie wants to cheat. There we go.
Oh, does it have it for Switch?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, let's do that.
Okay.
Yes, okay, thank you so much. Guys, I'm gonna win. I have Fortnite, I have a Switch, I have Super Smash Brothers or Bros Ultimate, whatever it's called. There's no way, and I'm giving it all away, so I have to win. Right now, you just stop the video, click the little I, and vote for me. Okay, so let me just update you guys. I got some intel from my boy Malcolm over here. We're working as a team, and apparently Fortnite is free, so scratch that. We will not be getting Fortnite and paying $60 for it.
This was only 30, so 220. Oh, so that automatically puts me out of the Nintendo Switch conversation. So I don't know adding a Nintendo Switch. That kind of sucks. But you know, it is what it is. It's a cool North Face backpack right here. Oh, you could just have it all open when you go to the airport. Oh man, this might be the one. There's an investment though. This is 120 bucks, 130 bucks.
I'm feeling really calm now suddenly once I have this box in my hand.
Arie's spending a lot of time in the game. Oh, she got a freaking Switch. Oh, I see that Switch. Easy move to make. I hope she second guesses that Switch now.
Oh my God, he's cheating. That's so annoying. All right, and we're back here. So now I'm gonna put back this mouse. I have no business with this.
8,000 milliamp hour portable charger with Qi wireless charging. So you don't even need a cable. As long as you have this and a phone that supports wireless charging. All right, I'm gonna get this because that's a bit cooler.
Oh, at this point I have 3 minutes. I need to hurry up. Okay, we've got, oh my God. All right. Okay.
57 seconds? Holy mess. I gotta spend $80 really fast. Oh, snap, guys. 30 seconds?
Right now we're waiting for them to get these headphones for us, so I don't think this should count towards my timing, but we'll see. I don't know.
Oh, okay. A phone holder? There you go. The call of doom.
Time's up, cheater. Let's go.
I'm done. Oh, what is that? 3 things?
I think he's gonna win.
So Arie's haul looks very meager. It looks so weak.
So we're ringing this up, and I'm still gonna search for my coupon. I think I have a $10 off coupon. So let's see if I can find it. Suddenly my phone wants to act up when the stakes are high.
But I think we did okay. I'm annoyed by seeing that Nintendo Switch. I'm not gonna lie.
You get a backpack and oh my God. No, I'm gonna make a donation because I'm under budget, so it's at $475. So let's do. We're $475. Can I put the remainder to St. Jude's? Thanks. I don't know. I'd call this a success. What do you guys think? I think it's good. I think I'm fine.
516. Hold on. I gotta drop something. This is $39.99? Oh, this is coming off. 505. All right, guys. So we went over by $5. I think we're doing all right, though. All right, guys. It's time.
Yeah, it's time for you to be embarrassed
Okay.
that I beat you.
You don't sound confident at all.
I'm not.
So who's going first? I guess we do it one by one, right?
Yeah, you can go first.
Gotta echo Dot.
Snorefest.
Listen, 30 bucks. Very inexpensive. Why not grab it? At 30 bucks, $500 budget, easy.
All right, I got an EV pop socket.
Oh, that's the one you picked up at the register after we ran out of time.
This is more of a selfish purchase. I love EV, so, you know, got that pop socket.
I got here an Astro A10 gaming headset.
Those are the cheap ones, right?
Yeah, 40 bucks, inexpensive. Fits the budget. Not cheap, good.
Okay, great. I think I'm just gonna just like go with like the best thing.
It's because you got like 3 things.
No, because I have a plan. I have a whole I have a concept. I didn't just walk around and randomly pick up crap. So.
Dang, going right for
Bam.
it.
Nintendo Switch, of course. I had $500 to spend, so why not get a Nintendo Switch? I'm going for quality, guys, over the BS that he always picks up, so.
But this is a cop-out move. Of course, everybody loves the Switch. And you put a lot of eggs in one basket, baby. For all those folks out there who don't care about the Switch, you guys know what to do with those voting fingers. So, all right, the Switch is a good buy. It's a freaking Switch, of course, it's nice.
It's a portable console.
But I know you don't got much left in your bag, so I might have to go back to back on you, all right?
Oh.
Like I have been for the last couple of videos. Here we have, guys, the PlayStation Classic. For all my folks out there who grew up on the PlayStation, the original one, we got the Classic here. 20 games built right into it. Only $100.
Archaic games.
That's the whole point. That is the entire point. To play the old games. It's the classic, Arie.
How
You
much
really
was
want to
that?
vote on this?
Okay, so here's the thing, guys. When I kind of like peeked and I saw him pick this up. But my thought is, like, this must not be hot because it's not sold out. It was released this week, right? And
Your
it's
Switch
still
isn't sold
available.
out.
I mean, but
Come
when
on.
it first
Eh,
came
nothing-
out, in its first week, you can find this thing at all. People
Anyway.
pay $1,000 for their hands on it, please, to get their hands on it.
You got that, I got this, and a lot more. So let me continue. Of course, had to get some earbuds. Why not? Bluetooth earbuds, only 40 bucks.
It has that ugly neckband. We don't even like that neckband, guys. Anytime he reviews something with that ugly neckband, you guys trash him for it.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Okay.
Go, pull out your next thing. What else you got?
Sure. The next thing I got, and this was really smart, guys, because the pre-order, I got Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, okay, coming out December 7th, and I said, you know what, let me pick this up, let me pre-order it, and I was very smart and strategic because it ended up not even being 60 bucks. I paid $5.
You just paid for the pre-order?
Yeah.
So you
It's like
you don't even have the game yet.
But I will send it.
You don't have the game.
Yeah, but I picked up the game. There you go.
It's basically layaway, guys.
Okay. All right.
Come on. Come on. Let's see. I got even a Chromecast for the folks who don't have one.
I just feel like, Judd, this is stuff we've all seen like over and over on the channel. Okay, so next up I picked to go with the Switch, and this is the last thing for the Switch, guys, but the last thing I picked up to go with the Switch is an amiibo, Kirby of course, with super, and this is really
You
smart of me.
going all in with Nintendo. Man.
With Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, you can choose, you know, your character, and you have an amiibo right there, it's your character, so. You want to pick the thing that you want to win if I were to give it away, if we were to give it away, so you want this haul or this haul? I don't know.
And you guys, you know those light up cables? Every time I post one of these in a video, you guys are like, oh, what's that light up cable? How's it lighting up? It's so cool. We got a light up USB Type-C charging cable. You got any more? I would love for you to continue. I would love for you to continue.
No, you go ahead.
And we also, of course, have a portable charger. Now, this is a cool portable charger because not only is it an 8,000 milliamp portable charger, but this guy also has wireless charging built right into it.
Sorry.
Go ahead and yawn.
I could have sworn you just showed like 4 portable chargers in last week's video. Yesterday's video, actually. God, another portable charger. Sorry, guys. Oh, are we done? Are you done? Okay.
So this thing has wireless charging built right into it. It's like 50 bucks.
I'll give that to you. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
The wireless charging aspect, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Okay, and my next thing and last is an oldie but a goodie. I got the N1s, you know, wireless headphones. I think these were on sale, $120 actually.
This was $120?
Yes. Yeah.
These are like my favorite headphones,
and
guys.
I was being thoughtful. I picked up a color he doesn't have yet, so in case he wanted to keep it, you know.
I'll give you that. I love these, so I gotta give it to you. But like, that's all you got. Like, honestly, forget the layaway item, forget the stupid doll, forget the pop socket.
Oh, talking about dolls,
You got, don't come for my Gundams. Don't come for my Gundams, man.
Talking about dolls.
Come on, and we're not even done. For the commuters out there, we also have this North Face backpack. This backpack is legit, guys. Tons of compartments. This thing feels solid. Look at that.
But again, I urge you guys to just think about this. If you were to get one of these hauls, whose haul would you want? And I will also say that I also donated money, so I came under budget.
Oh, all right. Let's pull out the receipts.
Okay. So my total was $475 at first. It was like $473, I think, something like that. And then I just donated the residual to the St. Jude Fund.
The entire thing?
The entire thing. So now I'm at an even 500 bucks.
Well.
Oh, you went over! I win!
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
I went over $5.
That happened last time.
Yeah, but you didn't call it. You didn't call it a loss, did you?
No, but everyone else did in the comments.
Did you call it a loss?
No, but everyone else did.
But you went over budget quite a bit. This is only $5. This is only $5.
The average consumer, only $5. That's a lot of money.
For who?
That's a nice
For
sandwich
who?
at Subway.
You look at all of it.
Shoot. He's not average anymore, guys.
Oh,
Thumbs up and vote for me if you agree.
Get out of here. But you guys know what to do. It is time to vote. The poll is going to be up.
Yeah,
Pick
you press
the
the little
winner.
eye icon and then you just click on hashtag Team Arie, and then your vote will be in.
No, hashtag Team UAC, you know what to do. But till the next one, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Team UAC, always. Look at this.